Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Many of us know that finger millet has many health benefits. It's very rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, dietary fiber and whatnot. With such health benefits, so many people hesitate to take it. But if you prepare in this way as I have shown in this video, you can have it regularly. So let us see how to prepare. First of all, take a bowl and add 2 cups of ragi flour into the bowl. You can check the quantity and add accordingly. Here I have taken 2 cups of ragi flour, and with the help of your hands only you need to prepare a batter like dosa batter consistency. It should be very thin as of you're pouring water. So you need to add water at a time. Do not add little by little. If you prepare like that, you can form lumpy ragi batter. So you need to add more water and then you need to squeeze all the lumps formed in the batter, and see, this should be the consistency. If you have done this, this is the perfect consistency. So you need to prepare this and put it aside. Now take a pan and add 1 liter of water in the pan and give it a nice boil. Put it on high flame and allow it to get a nice boil. Later take 250 grams of jaggery, but add it according to your taste. You need to melt the jaggery and prepare a jaggery syrup. Now once we get a nice boil of water like this, now this is the time we need to add our ragi batter into the water, that is finger millet batter. Now once give it a nice stir and then add slowly. Put the flame in low and then you have to add it slowly and you need to stir it. Both should be done simultaneously, otherwise there are chances that you may form lumps in the bowl. So slowly you need to pour the batter and you need to stir it accordingly, and then you need to check the consistency. Once you are perfect with the consistency, stop there and then allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. See, the batter has got thickened nicely here. So now once it is thickened, you need to allow it to get a nice boil as shown here. Now once you get a nice boil, that is the time you need to add our jaggery. Our jaggery syrup we have prepared and put it aside. Now you need to strain it and then you need to add it directly. Little by little you need to add the jaggery, because once you add the entire jaggery and the sweet taste is more, you cannot do anything. So little by little you need to add it. Check the sweetness and then add it accordingly. Now once you're done with the jaggery also, again put it on low flame and allow it to cool for 1 to 2 minutes till it get a nice boil again. Once you get a nice boil, time to add our cardamom powder or ilachi powder. That adds another much more flavor to our ragi porridge. Now ragi porridge, many of us in India, they prepare by adding buttermilk or curd, but if you prepare this with jaggery, trust me, everybody in your family will love it, especially kids, because this jaggery gives that sweetener taste and it is so yummy. Now put off the flame and serve it hot by adding any dry fruits of your choice. Here I have added pistachios, almonds, cashews. You can also add dates also. So with this health benefits, try this, at least giving this to your family 2 times a week, and you can see amazing results. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.